$766,000 is the new conforming loan for 2024. Yo, welcome back to the channel. This is Matt Garland, NMLS number 58700, but better known as MG, the Mortgage Guy. We are alive. We are blessed. Thank God for another day. Happy Tuesday, November 28th. And I love when we get good news from the FHFA, especially when it's talking about loan limits increasing. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. And you guys know what it is. You know I got to talk about the buy one, get one free book sale that's happening now until the end of the year. You got until New Year's Eve. Take advantage while supplies last. Buy House Economics, get the Real Estate Investors Manifesto for free, or vice versa. You buy the Real Estate Investors Manifesto and you get House Economics for free. If you have one or two, give the other as a Christmas gift. I don't know. Great reading, but buy it, buy it, buy it, and buy it. All right. We are here. Let's talk. Where you from? Put it in the city. All my realtors, type in the city your name, where you're from, your market you service. We want to know who you are. This is great news for all of us here who are in the transactional real estate business, like myself. Oh, and if you guys need help with your loans, you know who to come to. Go to applywithmg.com or email us at garlandgroup@unmb.com. I'm going to put that in chat right now. garlandgroup@unmb.com. All right. So we here. My realtors are here. We got Eartha Lockett from Atlanta, Georgia. Ty finally caught a live from New Jersey. Shout out to you, Ty. Welcome, welcome, welcome to my world. Right? Welcome to my world. All right. So I'm gonna put this on. I put this on the screen again. If you want to do business with me and my team, you want to get pre-approved, refinance, buy your first home, investment property, whatever it is, go to Garland Group at UNMB. Right? You see. I'm trying to line it up. Okay, there you go. Go right here. Okay, boom. Email us. All right. Make the subject YouTube. All right. So let's get to it, y'all. Let's get to it. Shout out to Tallahassee, Florida. Prudent Mom, how are you today? Let's talk some good news here. Let's talk loan limits. Let me share my screen with y'all. Let's talk loan limits. Now, first of all, I'm on this website right here. Let me show you how. Let me put this in here because I want to be able to, I like to give you guys information real time and for you to look on the websites and get to know these things for yourself. So I'm going to type in chat right here, like here, right? So go to here. That's the website that we're on right now, okay? Shout out to the realtors and investors in the building. Shout out to y'all. So on this website right here, this is a Fannie Mae website, okay? Now, we're going to come back to this website in a minute. But if you want to see the lender letter that I'm referencing to, I have it highlighted right here. That's talking about the loan limits for 2024. Okay? So now this letter was sent out to all lenders today. You see the date as of today. This is official correspondence. Right? And this is to all Fannie Mae single family sellers, all mortgage banks, lenders who sell directly to Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac. Receive this. And it's basically talking about the loan limits increasing. Now, for those of you who don't know, I was just on my Instagram live and I kind of broke this down, but I'm going to break this down for my YouTube family as well. Because a lot of people didn't even understand, like, what does this actually mean? Fannie Mae and the loan limits and all this other stuff, right? So Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are GSEs, government-sponsored enterprises. They guarantee or purchase, I would probably say, majority of the mortgages that are funded in America. The Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac is probably the reason why we have a robust housing market and financing source for people to buy real estate in America. Now, every year they make an announcement of what is the maximum amount that they will guarantee or buy from lenders up to a certain dollar amount for a specific property type. Now, in 2023, for single family homes, that limit for a single family and for a conforming loan. Now, conforming loans is any loan amount that doesn't exceed the 766. Any loan amount above 766,000 and it's a single family is considered a high balance or a high cost loan. Okay? So, what Fannie Mae is basically saying, since home prices have still appreciated in 2023, right now, on average, around 5% year over year of appreciation, the FHFA, Federal Housing Finance Agency, came out with the new loan limits, which are effective on January 1st, 2024, but lenders can start implementing this as of today. Now, you had some lenders early in the month who started implementing already because in the industry, we kind of knew what the loan limits were going to go to. So folks started implementing it, early this month. But as of today and probably tomorrow, you'll start seeing correspondence, especially if you're a realtor, you'll start seeing correspondence from your lender partners. If you haven't already, by the time this video came out today, definitely tomorrow, that the loan limits have increased. Now, here's the baseline loan limits. As you see, I have my screen. Type yes in chat if you can see my screen clearly, please. Type yes in chat if you can see my screen. You know what? Let me go on my YouTube on my phone because I just want to make sure that we are all on the same page here. Okay? Okay, looks like you guys can see me clearly. Okay. Good. Audie, I'm going to get to your comment in a second because we don't lose deals. Sorry. But let me digress because I don't want to get into that right now. All right. So we have one family. So you see here in the chart, you have the units, 1, 2, 3, or 4 on the left-hand side. Now you have all the states plus DC and Puerto Rico. Now, for a one family, $766,550. For a two family, $981,500. For a three family, $1,186,350. And for a four family, or fourplex, as some of you like to say in certain states, $1.474 million. Now, this does not apply to FHA, VA, or USDA loans. Let me make this clear. This does not apply for FHA, VA, or USDA loans. This only applies for conventional Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac mortgages. Now, what this basically means, if you don't live in a high-cost area like New York, Alaska, Hawaii, DC, LA, one of these cities, then you will fall into the baseline loan limits. And I'm going to show you guys how to search your city in a second. So if you live in Atlanta, Georgia, which Atlanta, Georgia is not considered a high-cost area, although Atlanta, Georgia is extremely expensive right now, that means you can go up to $766,550 loan amount on a single-family home. So to put this in dollars and cents, if you are buying a $795,000 house, let me repeat that. If you are buying a $795,000 home, you can put as little as 5% down and potentially get approved for a mortgage. Now, obviously, you still have the credit qualify, income qualify, et cetera, but you have an option. You can now buy that $800,000 house and put little out of pocket. Now, to put some color on this, if they did not increase the loan limits and they kept it at $726,000 and you wanted to buy that $800,000 home, you would have to put down $75,000 to get to $726,000 versus this, you'll have to put down $35,000 to get to 766. Does that make sense for you guys here on YouTube? Are you tracking? Are y'all with me here? Type yes in chat or no. Do you understand what the hell I'm talking about? Type yes in chat or no, please. Because I need to know. Because I don't want to lose anybody here. I know some of y'all are new to this. Some of y'all might be OG veterans like me. But if you are OG veteran, we have to take the time for the people who are not. So that way they can get up to speed and understand what the hell's going on. Okay, Pamela, what don't you understand? If you don't understand, please tell me what you don't understand so I can kind of go through it real quick. Please, Pamela, comment in the comments. What don't you understand about what I just said here? The majority of the class is saying that they understand. Now, classmates, please take time to like this video and share it. Thank you very much. We ain't got enough likes. Okay. So until Pamela tells me what she don't understand, I'm going to keep going. Now, and V Loan said they don't understand either. Well, y'all need to tell me what y'all don't understand. Now, if you live in a high-cost area, like I said, like New York, LA, DC, Cali, you know what I'm saying? Now, you can go up to $1.149 million for a one family, $1.4 million for a two family, $1.7 million for a three family, and $2.2 million for a four family. Okay, so Pamela, you said go over the amount again for me, the down payment. So the down payment again, and I'm gonna break this down for everybody again, right? So now the down payment, remember, if you're buying, let's just say in Atlanta, Georgia, and the maximum, and you want to go conventional financing, if you're buying an $800,000 home, minus the max loan amount that they will require, how much of a down payment do you need to put down? Like how much cash? So tell me that number, Pamela. Tell me that number. If I'm buying an $800,000 home, but I know Fannie Mae will only give me $766,550, type in chat, how much of a down payment, dollars and cents, do I need to make this deal work? Type in chat. I wish I had Jeopardy music. I got to get some music and some shit on my board so I can start playing music and stuff on here because I need the Jeopardy music for y'all right now because y'all moving kind of slow for me. Anybody in chat? Because Pamela, I don't know where you at. All right, so let me move on. It's like 3.5 to 5% down payment. Yes, but how much, T. Robinson? How much is the dollar amount? I'm giving y'all simple math so y'all can understand. Okay, tech support. Thank you. 34,450. And that will probably be equivalent to, now to find out the percentage that is, you do 766,550, divide that by 800,000. So basically that's 95.8. So basically you'll have to put down 5% for $800,000 house. Got it? You got it? Okay, good. So again, now, if they did not increase the loan amounts, right? Because this year loan amount for a single family was $726,000. So in that same scenario, if you was buying an $800,000 house, you would have to put down 10% down payment to get approval for a $726,000 loan. But being the fact that they increased it by 5.5% to 766, now you have to put down less money to acquire said $800,000 house. Are we all on the same page here? Type 1 in chat if we are, 2 in chat if we're not. Type 1 in chat if we're on the same page. Type 2 in chat if we're not. T. Robinson says copy. Okay, yes, we got a lot of ones. Okay, great. Now, if you're in a high cost area, obviously you can finance a lot more money. So you can do a $1.2+ million home and put down as little as 5% down in states like New York. And look, practitioner says my 2020 county conforming loan limit was $647,200. Correct. In 2020, that was everybody's conforming loan limit, $647,000. But you see, in 3 years, how much has increased? It's increased over $100,000 in 3 years in loan limits. And yes, this does include multifamily. So I put the link in the chat already for this website. So you see where it says 1 unit, 2 unit on the left-hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Remember, conventional financing can finance up to a 4-unit property, whether it's a primary or investment property. Well, practitioner heard that 720 is going to change probably today or tomorrow to 760. Now, let me show you this, right? Let me go here. All right, look up loan limit table. No. Confirmation. Okay, loan limits. Let me see. Is this the one? Let me see. No. Where did it go? Hold on. Where's the table? Oh, okay. Hold on. What is this? Oh, hold on. Oh, let me go here. No, that's calculators. No, it's in a readme mode. See, I can't even. It's not even gonna let me show you guys that. This is when you need Tooks to be able to do stuff like that. Let me see. No. Where is this? I don't know. I can't find it. It's not coming up. But whatever. Go to the website. I'm gonna put the website in the chat again. I was gonna show you how you can look up your actual area, but basically, long story short, I'm gonna put the link in the chat right now for you guys. You can go to Fannie Mae's website on your own and play around in this website. But basically, long story short, this is giving you the whole baseline of, wait a minute, is this it? No. You can even Google it too. When you go to Fannie Mae 2024 loan limits, you see it comes up right there, right? So you can basically go there. But there you have it. There you have it. These are the loan limits for 2024. I personally think this is a home run for anybody who's looking to purchase real estate. Like I said, and look, here's one thing I want to tell you about this, right? When I look at things like this, when I see, and let's get some more likes on this video, please. Thank you very much. So when I look at things like this, when I see that the loan limits are increasing, when I tell you the loan limit, the conforming loan limit was stuck at $417,000 for so many years, for like 10 years, they did not increase these loan limits because home prices just wasn't increasing at the rapid levels like they were right now. Over the past 4 or 5 years, they have been steadily increasing these conforming loan limits. So this gives an opportunity for people who don't live in high cost areas to buy real estate with putting a little bit of money out of their pocket, which I'm a huge fan of that if you can afford it. Now, with this also, I want to tell you guys, when they increase the loan limits to these type of levels, even if the housing market crashes, 9 times out of 10, they don't decrease the conforming loan limits. They keep them the same until home appreciation gets back to the levels that we are right now. So if the single family is 766 and unless something drastic happens over the next 3, 4, 5 years, then it's safe to say that if they don't even increase it next year, it's going to stay at 766,000 for some time now, which I think is a home run. Again, as prices have continued to rise nationwide, nobody wants to put down 20% if they don't have to. Nobody wants to put down 10% if they don't have to. If you can afford to put down less and still afford your mortgage, then why not? OPM, other people's money. This is what lending is for. This is what mortgages is all about, in my opinion. Using the bank's money to build your wealth and to build your equity up. So take advantage of this. So for me, I love this. I think this is a home run, especially for like my guy Brian Randall here on the check-in. He says, I'm in Miami, MG, prices are insane. They're insane everywhere. But this is why they're doing what they're doing. To soften the blow a little bit. I don't know if that was plausible or not, but whatever. You got to do something. With prices going the same, the average medium house in places like Miami, New York, it's crazy. So if you're able to go in here and get yourself a conventional mortgage, put 5% down, buy $850,000 home, God bless you. But let me say this to you and everybody who's watching this live and who's going to watch this on the replay. If you ain't got the money, if you ain't got the clientele, say hell no, because them people want their money, rain, sleet, hell, snow. Look, if you cannot afford these mortgages at these price points, please stay in your lane. Please. Just because the bank will approve you for a $766,000 mortgage does not mean you need to go out here and apply for one. Be extremely wise with your investing and home buying decision making. Do not be emotional about this. Just because your lender might tell you tomorrow, hey, great news, they increased loan amounts. So I know you've been having a hard time finding that $700,000 house that you like, but now I can get you approved for $766,000 so you can buy an $800,000 house and maybe you'll have more options. The payment is only going to be a little bit more expensive. Make sure you check your numbers because home prices appreciating is the gift and the curse. Your mortgage payment today is not your mortgage payment a year from now. It's not your mortgage payment 2 years from now. You have something called property taxes and insurance, which will increase every single year as long as home prices are appreciating. Even at modest levels of appreciation, property taxes will increase, which will in turn now increase your mortgage payment. Yeah, I ain't gonna hold y'all up. I think because people was asking me about Garland Gardens on the other live, I think my property taxes just increased my mortgage payment. Let me go to my mortgage statement. Hold on. What the hell's going on here? I think so. I can never remember my damn password, yo. Damn, my account is locked. I was going to show y'all my goddamn escrow statement. Oh, well. I locked my account. I don't know the password. What a pity. Practitioner her says, I don't pay property taxes and still ain't got it. Laughing out loud. Well, you don't pay property taxes. God bless you then. Because I wish you could take my property taxes off my hand. All right, so Anon says, why doesn't New York fall under high price? New York does fall under high price. New York does fall. New York does fall under the high price. So you can go to 1.2 million on a single family. So you can go to 1.149 on a single family and 1.4 million on a two family, 1.7 on a three family, and 2.2 on a four family. So New York does fall into that. That 981 that you were reading, that's just for everywhere else. That's not considered high cost. Good question. More info, please. What other info would you like? You know what info I want to give you right now? Let me give you some information. You want some information? Let me give you some information. You need to go to mgmortgageacademy.com. For those of you who are in your learning phases and you want to join the community, go to the #1 real estate platform for education. You get all of these webinars included, right? But then here's the great thing, right? Forget all of this. Here's the great thing. The pricing. Right now, you get, for $99, you get a one-time membership fee for lifetime access to the community, access to future and previous recorded webinars and curriculums, group calls, discounts, etc. But if you want to be elite in 2024, this is where you guys need to be right here, the elite membership, all right? Not only do you get access to the academy for a lifetime and all the courses and curriculums and everything that I'm filming that's going in there, right? But you'll also get 2 virtual consultations with me directly, MG, right? That you can use at any point in time in 2024. These are 20 to 30-minute virtual consultations, meaning Zoom, FaceTime, Google Meets, whatever your poison is, you pick it. And we get on a virtual consultation for 20 to 30 minutes, 2 times in 2024 to help discuss your real estate goals. So all my real estate professionals who've been asking me for coaching and mentorship and everything like that, take advantage of this because I'm going to raise this price to $997 very soon. Okay? So take advantage, $497. You pay this one time, you get access to the community, plus you get the bonus, the virtual consultation. So if you're a first-time home buyer, you need some hand-holding, this is perfect for you. If you're an investor, you need some coaching, some resources, some mentorship, whatever it is, this is for you. If you're a licensed real estate professional, you want to learn how to run plays and all this other good stuff and scale and grow your business, this is for you. Okay? Go to mgmortgageacademy.com to join today. I hope that was enough information for you. Come one, come all. Come to the academy, y'all. All right. Need your mentorship. I already emailed. Well, if you need my mentorship, go to mgmortgageacademy.com. Sign up right there. MG always giving us the gems. That's a fact, Christina. I mean, Christian. Sorry, I read your name wrong. If you have standard, how do you upgrade to elite? You just pay the $497. That's it. So T Nash, if you're already in the academy, because I had this question a couple times today. If you're already in the academy, there's really no upgrade. It's just pay the $497. You get the 2 calls. I'm not lowering it. I'm actually too cheap. So do the $497, get your 2 calls, and let's run it up. Okay. The maximum ceiling for loan limits for New York will still fall under conforming, or would higher interest rates follow? So when you're talking, so this has nothing to do with interest rates here, y'all. This has nothing to do with interest rates. This has everything. I've never seen that before on my behind the scene thing. That's different. So this has nothing to do with interest rates. This has everything to do with the amount of money that Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac will buy from a lender. Now, when you go into multifamily home ownership, it's going to be a higher rate. right? There's a lot of factors that's going to determine rate, whether it's property type, DTI, loan to value, credit score. All these things are going to play a factor into your actual mortgage rate. This is just telling you how much money they'll fund. One of my biggest supporters, Michael J. McDonald. Definitely too cheap. You need to raise your prices ASAP. Mike, hold on. Let me put this back on the screen, Mike. Hold on, Mike. What are you saying here? My $497 too cheap? Mike, type in chat. I got it the original price of $997. I'm trying to give the holiday special here, Mike. Right? But Mike, you tell me, with these 2 calls plus the academy, what should it be, Mike? Tell me. Tell me, Mike. What should the price be? Mike, whatever you tell me the price is, I'm going to change it for tomorrow. Mike is my guy. He's the man behind the biggest. So if he's telling me this is too cheap, Mike, tell me what it is. Please, pause. And I'll raise the price for it tomorrow. Okay, Chanel, hey MG, I just signed up for the academy, but I was trying to sign up for mentorship as well. It looks like I signed up for the wrong thing. How can I get that corrected? So Chanel, shoot me a DM at MG, the mortgage guy, or email help@mgmortgageacademy.com and express yourself. And we could refund, since you just signed up, what we'll do is probably just refund the $99 and then recharge you the $497. Or just take the difference. We'll figure that out on the back end. But we'll take care of you, Chanel. Smart play. And also, very smart, since my man Mike is over here telling me I'm too cheap. He tells me I'm too cheap with everything I do. He said, you're way too cheap. Yeah, do the $498. All right, Chanel. Yeah, soon, but see, my comrade telling me I'm too cheap. So, you know what? Maybe I need to start listening. Because I be trying to give y'all deals. But you know what? I'm going to stop giving y'all deals because then on the back end, pause, y'all be in my group talking about how y'all paid $20,000. Yo, y'all be on my shit like, yo, MG, I just paid $25,000 for this. I don't know nothing. I be like, why are you here? You just paid these people 25 bands. What you doing in the mortgage academy? MG, I didn't learn nothing. I still don't know what I'm doing. I still have no clue how to analyze a deal properly. I still don't even know about funding for my deals. And I can't even talk to the people I paid $25,000 to. Y'all paying $25,000 for group calls. Yo, I'm not laughing at y'all. I'm laughing with you. My bad. Oh. All right. I digress. I digress. Let me stop, man. I digress. All right. That's all I got for y'all. Share this video with 101 people, please. Let's make mortgages great again. Download Rants and Gems on all podcast audio outlets. Rated 5 stars. Please. Thank you, Tanisha. I appreciate that. Practitioner, you activated. Practitioner her. DM me, practitioner her. You say you pay no taxes. I got some properties that you can take some of the property taxes on. But she says, much as people getting exposed these days, you never came up on these scammers podcasts. Says a lot. That's a fact. Let me read that again for those in the back. Much as people getting exposed these days, you never came up on these scammer podcasts. Says a lot. You know, I was having this conversation the other day. I was definitely having that conversation the other day with somebody. And I said, look, man, I am who I am. But one thing you ain't gonna call me is a scammer. That's a fact. You can say what you want about me. You can say I'm a little emotional. You can say the brother like R&B. You can say the brother sometimes a little emotional in his feelings on his IG stories and shit like that. Okay, I'll take that all day long. But you ain't gonna say one thing. You ain't gonna say MG a scammer. Great Edward says, my dude skipping questions. I see you only want sheeps. Great Edwards, I have no clue what the hell you're talking about right here. But now I'm going to go look in these comment sections and see what you're saying here. So let's see. Great Edwards, what question did I skip? Oh, this question? If I live 50 miles from my job, is it possible to get an owner-occupied loan for a property 15 miles from my job? Is this the question you tell me I am skipping and I only want sheeps? Oh my God. Are you for real here, Great Edwards? You see, let me just say this, right? I had a month off because I have to like kind of detox this type of shit, right? Energy. You make a comment talking about I only want sheeps and I'm skipping questions. Like, when you could have just said, hey, MG, can you scroll up? I got an important question. Can you answer it for me? I would have said no problem. But I still went and scrolled up to see this question, which, you know what? I don't even want to answer it because I don't like your energy. Nah, man. Can't my bad I had to do that to get an answer. No, man. I'm the wrong person to do this type of shit to. Because see, I am a Virgo. I wear my emotions on my sleeves. And when you start talking shit about me, you start saying stupid shit in my comments, it kind of annoys me. So it's either one or two things I'm gonna do. I'm gonna ignore it or I'm gonna do what I just did right now. So that's not how you get an answer from me. That's how you get blocked. Great Edwards, I don't want to block you. But you put bro, you're making me want to block your ass right now because I just don't like energy like that. That's why I took a month off because I gotta like cleanse myself of all of this shit I be feeling sometimes. And yes, Daryl Anderson. This is exactly what I'm saying. He made it seem like he asked a sensational question too. Like, come on, bro. Come on, man. He said, yo, I see you skipping questions. I see you only want sheep. What? Yo, y'all kill me, man. Come on, man. Like, come on, man. I'm not trying to channel my Virgo energy right now. Like, I'm really not trying to channel this right now. I'm trying to be somewhat professional podcaster here. But whatever, I digress. Who cares? Right? Everybody throw some sheets in the comment for what's this nigga name again? Hold on. What was his name? Uh Great Edwards. Everybody throw sheep in the comments for Great Edwards, please. Throw some sheep for him. He needs it. Okay. And no, I'm not answering your question. Join the academy. Yo, I cracked myself up. I really cracked myself up. This is funny to me. I'm sorry, man. You left yourself open for this one. Pause. You must be new here. Note to self, anybody who's new here, that's not how you get my attention. Please, keep your bad energy to yourself, please. Okay. Holly Love, no. She said, why y'all take Matt there? Holly Love, no. Wesley Cotto said, that question was strange as fuck anyways. Oh, my God. All right, join the academy, man. Go to mgmortgageacademy.com. Oh, man. Hilarious, yo. Christian said, tell him to get the blueprint. Laughing out loud. Yo, I got the product, man. Everything you want to know. Oh, man. And y'all really throwing sheep in the comments. Y'all are fools. I swear. Life shit, you should know. G. Edwards on some funky energy, sheep vibes. The fuck? Laughing out loud. Matt, get undiplomatic. He said, get undiplomatic. I be trying to be like, keep my energy. All right. Y'all are funny, y'all. Let me hold on, relax, y'all. Let's not go there. Let's not y'all simmer down in the comments. Y'all going too hard right now. All right. Yeah, that's all I got for y'all. I'm done with this. Make sure y'all check the live tab for replays. I put out a video yesterday. It's not on the live tab. It's on the regular video tab. We were talking about derogatory credit. I didn't do that as a live. That was a pre-recorded. So make sure you watch that video. Some good information talking about trade lines and bankruptcies and stuff like that. So make sure y'all tap in with that. Y'all really putting sheep in the comments, y'all. Y'all crazy. Word. No weird shit in 2024, y'all. Yeah, he definitely dissed y'all. Hey, he low-key dissed us too, says Sparks. He definitely dissed y'all. He called y'all sheep. Email garlandgroup@unmb.com. Tell me or DM me. Tell me all about your experience. All right, that's all I got for y'all. I gotta go. I appreciate the love as always. If you're new here, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, please. I hope this information helped you guys. And maybe we'll go live again tomorrow. We got some pre-recorded courses hitting the academy as well this month. I think 2 or 3 of them are going to hit this month. And every month I'm going to put a couple new courses in there. So, all right, tap in with the academy, mgmortgageacademy.com. Get the consultation, the elite package. Do the consultations. Do the elite package. Hell, shit, whoever does the elite package, I'll throw in another call. And my price is about to go up because my partner Mike said I'm too cheap. So I'm making my price go up. All right, so you got it for $497 today. Whoever gets today, I'll give you an extra consultation. All right, peace. See y'all tomorrow.